How to log out of Amazon account in all devices. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of Amazon account from all the devices. In order to log out of your Amazon account from all devices, you'll simply need to change the password. Make sure you know the current password. If you know that, go ahead and open your Amazon application on your mobile device and here make sure you're logged into your account. Once logged in, here at the bottom, you'll be able to locate 3 horizontal bars. Tap on this icon and then you will be taken to this page. In this page, here you'll be able to locate the account option. If you didn't see the account option here, then you may tap on this profile icon next to this home icon at the bottom left, and then in this page, tap on this account option from the top. By doing so, you will be taken to this page. In this page, you will need to scroll down and under this account settings, you will be able to see login and security option. Tap on it. By doing so, now you will be taken to this page. In this page, you will need to scroll a bit down and then there you will be able to locate password option. At the right side of it, you'll be able to see this edit button. Tap on this edit button and now to change the password, you will need to first enter your current password in this first text box. Tap on this text box and then type in your password. Make sure to enter it correctly. After that, now you can create a new password for your account. Tap on this new password box and enter a new password for your account. Once after entering the new password, again you will need to re-enter the same password in this last text box. Tap on it and enter the same password. Once you have filled in all of these details, now tap on this Save Changes button right here. And after doing that, you will see you have successfully changed your password. Now you will be logged out from all your devices. If you want to use this device, then you can enter the new password in this field and then sign into your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out of your Amazon account from all the devices. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.